Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Today, I'm going to be using the Revair on Miyah's hair.
Yeah, like mommy did.
Yeah, just like mine. So, if you guys have watched the previous video, I did use the Revair on my hair a few videos ago. So this time I'm going to be using it on Miyah's hair. So I'm going to go ahead. I went over all of the settings and everything on the Revair a few videos ago, which I'll link that below for you guys if you want to watch that full review on the Revair. So today I just washed Miyah's hair, so I have to detangle it first, and then I'm going to go ahead and just dry it out with the Revair. So if you guys want to watch this video and see how it turns out, keep watching. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just part Miyah's hair into 4 sections. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with this section first. Now I haven't even detangled first, but this here, the bright spot, is going to help with that. Ooh, is going to help with that. And then I also have this Play It Straight, which is for types 3 and 4, which if you watched the previous video, I did use a different one. Oh, and this one is a lot thicker than the one that I used on my hair. So I'm gonna... And I'm just gonna add a little water because it has dried just a little bit. Don't touch it? Well, I can't touch it. It's too pretty to touch.
But it's okay, Mama. But you try to buy some pretty.
I can touch it?
Yeah.
It's so pretty?
Yeah.
Look, guys. Ooh, Miyah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What if I take this off?
Yeah, I'm going to do the rest. So, this is it. You like it? Yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish the video, and we're going to see all of Miyah's hair. Woo! Alright. Okay, guys, this is the final result on Miyah.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so this is it. It took about, I would say, 30 minutes
Yeah.
total. Because of the detangling is usually the longest part. But it came out. Do you like it, Miyah?
Yeah,
Don't mess with it. Okay. So yeah, this is it. She won't wear it down. It's starting to get hot. So I will be doing a style, a style with it. But I wanted to show you guys the Revair on Miyah. So if you guys have any questions, comments, just comment below, or if you just enjoyed the video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for our future videos. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.